There are a number of different ways you can optimize your vehicle's fuel consumption. You can make changes to your vehicle, or you can change the way you drive. You can optimize your engine performance by following your car manufacturer's recommendations on how best to service your vehicle's engine. Remove any extra weight. An extra 50 kilograms will increase your fuel consumption by up to 2%. Ensuring that your tires are inflated correctly and having good quality, eco tires can improve fuel economy by up to 6%. Changing the way you drive can also help with fuel consumption. Running a vehicle when it's not moving is known as idling and can result in annual costs of over £3,000 for HGV vehicles. Use this as a more fuel-efficient choice than keeping your car running when stopped at traffic lights. High and inconsistent speeds can have a negative impact on your fuel efficiency, so try traveling at lower and regular speeds. Driving in a higher gear means you lower your engine speed, which in turn can improve fuel efficiency. If you drive quickly after starting up your cold vehicle, you will be doubling up on wasted fuel. Keep following these driving tips and you'll make fewer visits to petrol stations. In addition to making changes to your vehicle and the way you drive, you can also invest in a telematics system. Use a fuel card. We have an extensive range of fuel cards to choose from which can help you save money on fuel costs. Check the manual for your vehicle to find out what type of fuel your vehicle's manufacturer recommends for you to use. If you're serious about saving money on fuel, why not switch to an electric vehicle? And finally, advanced driving courses will help you learn how to drive in a more economical way.